Hello friends, today I'll show you how to set up multiple audio interface in real time. So this is Focusrite 2i2 and this is Steinberg Ur242. Steinberg Ur242 is 4-channel audio interface and Focusrite 2i2 2-channel audio interface. Total 6 input and 6 output. So how can I set up this? So this is my MacBook. Here click audio MIDI setup. Then this window is opening. Now create this plus sign and create aggregate device. So now choose your audio interface. This is Focusrite and Steinberg Ur242, right? Let's see here. You can choose two of the audio interface, input and output, and click here, and this is our input output. See, input 1, input 2 and 4 from Steinberg Ur242, and also output 1, output 2, and also 4 output from Steinberg Ur242. Total 6 input and 6 output. Here it is. Now check from my software. I am opening Logic Pro. So this is Logic Pro, and set up input device, aggregate device, output also same. Choose. Now select audio track. Selecting 6 audio track. Okay. So now I am changing input. See here 6 input, so 6 track, 6 input. Very nice. So now I can record drums or any live band with my 2 audio interface simultaneously. So I hope you like this video. If you like this information, please like, comment, share and subscribe for the more videos. This is 6 track and 6 output from here, input output from here. So I hope you like this. Please subscribe.